here is something that a lot of people may not have discovered yet on Myworld, but it's really cool. Up at the top where you see, it looks like a location icon. For me, it says 33. I'm gonna click there. And this is my local area. This is my local map. And now I can see, if I just click on these little green icons, the local stores that I can now shop at. Moe's, I get 5% cash back. What else is in this plaza here? It says Moe's and something else. Jersey Mike's. And then when I expand, I can click on other places. Olive Garden, Jersey Mike's, Bonefish Grill, 5% cash back. Belk, 7% cash back. Whatever that is. Bill Restaurant, okay. Jersey Mike's, and where I could see it says 3, and if I expand, that looks like the Edison Mall. Auntie Anne's, I get 5%. It looks like, there it goes. Aeropostale. What else is here in the mall? We already picked Auntie Anne's. Looks like there's 2 Auntie Anne's. Okay. Then I keep expanding and I can go into different areas. Olive Garden, Tommy Bahama, Jersey Mike's, Carvel, 5%. Bill Restaurant, not sure what that is. I could go down. So this is one of our local mall areas. I can like travel around. There's your TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, Red Robin. This is a really neat app for being able to do that. You could see all the local stores, Belk. I could go down to Naples and see what's down there. And if I switch my view, I could click here, it says search here, and then it'll bring up the local, the other types of places that when my map view changes. Oh, there's Seasons 52, 5% cash back. Athleta, Western Prime Burger. This is neat. Really cool. There's Aeropostale, Garden. You get the point. And then when you travel, I could go over and see what's going on in Miami. And now I want to click search here, and it looks like there's quite a bit more over here. And we can find probably some local places. Florida Sliding Glass, Crown Pawn. There's Jersey Mike's, Trier Seafood, TGI Fridays. You guys get the point. We could travel around the map and search. If I wanted to come up to West Palm, we click search here. Again, more local places. So this is a free app, and you get, just depending on what you see on the screen, 5%, 12%, Carvel's 5%. Depending on what you see at the location. Jamba Juice, you get 5% cash back, and it's really easy to do. All you do is just follow the instructions on the screen. White Eagles Limo, you get 3% cash backs. These are places, if you were going to go anyway, you might as well use the app. Whole Foods, you get 25%. That's pretty good. Seasons 52. All right, just wanted to show you guys that. If you were back on the home screen, let me just show you. I'm going to click out again, and it's the little icon right at the top. It'll show you it'll go to your home or wherever you're at right at the moment, and then you can start clicking around. Freedom Fitness, this is one of my friends. If you wanted to get a good workout in, you get 5% cash back. Guys, check it out. Let me know if you want the link, and I'll happily send it to you, and it's totally free.